Let's talk about how to use your winter stored eggs. Right here in this bowl, I have some water glassed eggs. You can find links below on how to water glass eggs, including a video on how I use water glass eggs. Next up, we have a jar of some dehydrated eggs. Again, you can find links in the description box below showing how to dehydrate eggs, as well as videos on how I use the dehydrated eggs. And then last, we have fresh eggs. So in this acrylic container, these are freshly laid eggs. So what I do is I use the water glassed eggs primarily for scrambled eggs, but if I do not have any fresh eggs, then I will use the water glassed eggs for fried eggs as well. I use the dehydrated eggs for baking, and I use the fresh eggs for fried eggs. Thanks for watching.